The key ring I hold in front of me is made of ancient river red gum. It came from the drought from the Murray-Darling region, mid-1990s. And when in drought, they dredged the mouth of the Murray-Darling, and during that period they discovered about 60 logs, I believe, which had been preserved under the silt for approximately, up to 16,000 years old, I believe, was the oldest carbon dated tree. Typically the river red gum grows to about 500 years old, and so these had fallen in through erosion, natural erosion, over the centuries prior. And I was lucky enough to be gifted with some of the samples of timber, and hence made this keyring, which has been part of me for the last 15 odd years. So the significance of this keyring and upcycling for me is that this material, which is I think very precious, could have become firewood, or was becoming firewood, was being taken over by locals and turned into crafty objects, where something of this nature only ever appears once in a lifetime and will never be repeated. And so therefore it's, I shouldn't say taking from the earth, because it was dead, a dead tree that's lived its life, that's been preserved in silt and has now been recovered and turned into items of beauty, really. So how does it fall into upcycling? Well, it's kind of an influence to me for upcycling. It's not really upcycling a material, but it kind of said to me more about the waste of materials, of resources, waste for future generations and recovery of that waste.